Factorial program in Python. Let us see the basic definition for the factorial of a number. Factorial of n is equal to 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and so on n. Let us write a function that takes the n value as argument and returns its factorial. Upon seeing the formula, we need to understand that in order to find the factorial using Python, we need to iterate from 1 to n. We can use a for loop with range function to iterate from 1 to n. In the range function, the second argument is not inclusive of the sequence of numbers, and therefore we have taken n plus 1 for the second argument. For the time being, let us just print the number to the output and see if we are iterating over the numbers correctly. The factorial formula says that we need to multiply all these numbers. So let us take a variable, say factorial, with an initial value of 1 to store the multiplication of these numbers. Now, instead of printing the number to output, let us multiply the number to the factorial variable. After the for loop, at the end of the function, return the resulting factorial. Call the function with a value passed as an argument, say 5, and print it to the output. The factorial function says that the 5 factorial is 120, which is correct. You may try calling the function for some more numbers and validate the returned value. This is how you write a function to calculate the factorial of a given number in Python. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.